How's it going, fellow YouTubers? So today I'm going to talk about the Dolace coffee machine. So it's a coffee machine where you put your capsule in here. Like this. So that's where your capsule goes. And you may have noticed the bars on the machine. Pretty much they mean how much water is required. So your water goes over here. So remember to put clean water in each time. And you have a hot and cold section. So hot that way, cold. That means the drink will be hot or cold. And that's the green button, now it's on. So to get the drink poured, I go this way. So see it's coming down. So the reason why it's full bar because this says it over here. So it's got 10 strength, 16 capsules. So yeah, some capsules are the capsules over $10 usually. But you gotta be careful with the Starbucks ones, they're usually only 12 in them. So yeah, it's finished. So yeah, that's how much you get. How much content. If you put more, in other capsules like the Milo ones, it's less bars. So yeah, you just mix it up. So this one's like Americano. So it's good for getting up in the morning. Richard Myrna. So the #1 supporter for Slow Coffee. So that's good. Yeah, so it's a nice experience. Yeah, so it's a good flavor. And I'll try it out. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So yeah, this machine, I used to work for a company that made this through a third party. And I got the job through email. Well, I had applied online. So yeah, so it was $20 an hour and usually 5 hours. But you weren't paid any commission if the machine sold. So that was the downside. You did get paid for parking costs, so if you had to pay for park at the mall or something, you just had to keep the receipt. But you had to pay through EFOS, not cash. You did get paid for any things you bought, like hand glove or souvenir. So you tell them first, otherwise you wouldn't get covered for that. You get the capsules in the box and everything. You get an apron. Well, the apron can be your own, or it's usually black. With a white shirt and trousers for males, white shirt and skirt for females. You had to take. The thing I didn't like in the malls was you had to actually. Yeah, I was wondering how it would do it because you don't have a trolley. So I had to get a trolley from the store, which is good. So depending on the manager of the store you go to, like, do they know about it? You'll have good communication or not. So the reason why I left this few years ago was because there was a lot of work, maybe twice a month, and you also have to pay New Zealand a cover tax. Like, well, for me, it would have been 900 a year. Wasn't worth paying that, as it would have like not, not be worth it much because I wasn't working all the time. So New Zealand, like, usually you have to pay this if you work independently or you're a contractor, and the work you're doing or doesn't cover like injuries, accidents. So, but that does. So yeah, the only downside of these sort of promotions is like you may have to find a car park, and depending if the manager like was friendly or not, Yeah, it was one time they thought I wasn't like moving around a lot because in the training he said they have to stay with the machine. So yeah, so I told the company that that's the training was like that. So I was telling people about the machine. Yeah, so that's one of the downsides of that sort of sponsorships. Working with a company like in a store that may believe you're not driving sales or something, but the training may say something else. So the training I got in the book was like you have to stay with the machine. You can't just leave it there, like leave and go there or go around. So yeah, it was sort of like conflicting training. I thought, why didn't you told to stay there and then drive the sales and also give samples, but they limit your sample. Yeah, so I don't know. So yeah, like doing this sort of thing on YouTube through a company would be better because you're just doing a home and you don't know relying on commission and that, and you gonna get paid. Yeah, so this machine is worth having. Like you just put water there and you get coffee about 20, 30 seconds. So it's like a cafe sort of style. 15 bar pressure and it heats up in a short time. Yeah, so I recommend this machine. So I don't know how much it is in your country or wherever, but over here it can range around 60 to 80, depending if you're buying this new or used. So yeah, thanks for watching my YouTube video, and remember to like and subscribe. Thanks.